Madam Tokodu's boyfriend, he slapped a police officer. And I expect the Ghana Police Service to release a statement on that. You know the reason? Because Afenyo can ebo police in Yasum. And as a minority leader,
Abusuya says, Manuka said, Afenyo Markins, Nahoya Akajamu, yes. Ewo endure demonstration na course no. The leader in NPP 2025 our Parliament House no. Nahoya Akajamu, our Ghana Police Service for Omunsem. Endure demonstration na course no bibi happy our Afenyo Markin the side. Santi and Manuka said the Ghana Police. Omo the letter ade kwakoma speaker. So mu hia Afenyo Markins. Kevin Taylor ono so asene strong warning ama IGP any John Dramani Mahama any NDC4 ewo Afenyo Markins issue na happen say ordinance sa abo police ni abusia omo hu bi da santi Ghana Police Service for ato omo sa afre Afenyo Markins abusia ha GH kwabi media so message so oba so na wa subscribe wa share wa like uwie so don't forget say obeja o comment ewo asie ho ama ho ehia ye pa abusia ye ba Afenyo Markins ne case ya abaye Ghana Police Service for ehia mu omo hia no ewo omo na ye endra demonstration na so concerning about Chief Justice John Dramani Mahama mu a ontumi no enye adwuma nti wa suspend no endra demonstration kese
Our affirmative bill. Actually, say, Nyaba betimi aye, ne Beman so betimi aye. Enti se wo oba oye Chief Justice. Beman so ye be. Enti menyu oba na mfa Beman ma mese ho. Eno ne yanti ase.
Obeni, wo fe ne say ne John Dramani Mahama no. Enya ne kwamu anasa because wo ma yati ase say constitutional. On the Council of Elders akwadwen ho. And a Council of Elders amane kwan so be to me as suspended some petition bia abeton up no so. What do you want say mu ho ne say?
Papa, me ye Christo ni nti Bible say, ya wonyama nyina ho kwan, enso nyama nyina na fata ye. Ampa constitution e nipa na chro di ma nipa. Ana constitution bia ne mra ko even Supreme Court ko wudi asama on the agent. Enu nti constitution na o kan say Chief Justice na ya ade bia ye susu say ebro nyanka so pani ya. Mumfa ne nko president that's the petition. Na petition if ya yemfa Council of State. Council of State dream no who sanya why any bonia. Afedie yemfa ne ma say team.
No na petition na ba na petition ni mun semino. Ye nim ne wom as we speak now. But president I too want am.
Mo me da asiminua. Wo ye journalist man yo ho say unua no ne say no kware. Na mo nya me pe ne say bra sam ye ni mu hwe no. Sami Jamfi oya president no minister. And I say God board say what dey abeto ni Facebook say nyama me na ye ne dey bone pa de nti no de ne ma eni ni kuntu kwan. Me na me de beto ho ana. Okay, Kracho Fosu. I was Flagstaff Minister of Information or Communication. On also the abeto say ma me dey kwan bia so esi ejeli no. Me na me kan na say ono na eka. Enu nti we nyina kire say asem no wetutu na basa na ne onwe susu anson person ha ma me no. Enu nti na atwa me nsama me say hands off the bench. President Mahama onya lawyer. Enti onyi ne nsam free bench ne so. Adentia constitution na so. Constitution na ma President Mahama be president. Say constitution na so na Chief Justice tokonu aye Chief Justice. Adenti na opese wo say wo de. Minua me ha wo mreba
demonstration no so no na video bi security ye na Afenyo Markins wato ne nsa ekobo police ni bi na wo hwe video ni ya otumi hu say video ni de enye ade say Afenyo Markins nani da ho say obeden ode ne nsa bebo police ni because of say Nani nyama na ekos o de so wo hwe video nkwa be hu se apiepia ne we no eno nti na ne nsa ekoka police no because o hwe video ni krompa ne nsa anka police no se ne amanfo bi eyeden eka sem efa ho ne se Afenyo Markins wabo police ni asum no abusunya wo hwe video ni a otumi hu se enti sa ankasa yes nenso Ghana fo bi echire mu a Afenyo Markins wabo eye police ni asum ama sesi amana ukasa die eye Ghana Police Service for ede krata ede aba se eye Afenyo Markins omuhia no enti krata na kwakodi eye Speaker of Parliament ne side Baben yes akwakodi ni ho a omuchema omuhia Afenyo Markins ewo da incident na happen no na after say eye we na happen no eye Kevin Taylor ono so ede nsimia betudwa o kiremu a eye Afenyo Markins Ghana Police Service for enkochi no immediately o kasa Ghana Police for enkochi abusia utie de Kevin Taylor o kana otumi hu se sesi ane de tumi na kwakodi amanfo nsam ena ye de tumi na kwakwashi obi nsu nsam a ne nipa na e kan na wose president oye ude se utie de Kevin Taylor o kana obehu
Minority leader Madam Tokonu's boyfriend, he slapped the police officer. And I expect the Ghana Police Service to release a statement on that. You know the reason? Because Afenyo Markins ebo police in Yasum. And as a minority leader, okay, this is Afenyo Markins. He slapped a professional police officer who was protecting such a twerp. Afenyo Markins was being protected by a police officer and a police officer said you was on a V8 and a police officer went area so for hours. Afenyo Markins, who is supposed to know better, also no a lawyer or a minority leader, he actually stretched his hand at the police officer. Obo police in Yasum, and this political party, you expect young people like us to get up. Sorry, send me the MPP. Memkasama MPP. Mejimi. This is Afenyo Markins out of frustration because Odumse or PBB, you see, at a point they wanted to cause commotion. At a point they wanted chaos. At a point they wanted to push the police to the wall. Na BBC, na etuonto, na BBC no makase. Police for Mahama police for Bomutu. It was not happening. When they go to the Jubilee House, there are barricades. Before you go through the barricade, we need to know you, identify you, and know who you are. Because you are entering the Jubilee House. You are entering the seat of government. Until you cannot just be said, at least they need to have a physical assessment of you before you are given that nod to enter. Afenyo Markins who say John Mahama and Abai, they have given them every access. Access via chaos. Police for have been professional. He wanted to start something. He wanted to confront the police. Now a person police for the reacting. Now in front of Jubilee House. Now Okoka say John Mahama police for the instructions so or no minority leader and MPP for in front of the Jubilee House. And I'm expecting the Ghana Police Service to release a statement on this because at the Afenyo Markins Sebio Senka police in a tin and sa ewo Afenyo Markins swa and kenda na drinkienda. This is Afenyo Markins. This is Afenyo Markins slapping the police officer. He actually slapped the police officer twice. And the IGP boss is sitting there. He should be charged. He assaulted the police officer. 2 times Afenyo slapped the police officer. This twerp, and we sit in Ghana. This is a person who is supposed to know the law. He is the minority leader in parliament. He slapped an innocent police officer 2 times. So imagine, say, a police officer in the Senate and Sawa Afenyo Mackinson can drink better. But the IGP is sitting there. He thinks that we are building a church. The IGP is sitting there because he used to have friends in the MPP. So when the MPP they fool, the IGP covers it up because Yeni Ayakari Jimmy. Now, sir, just away from Afenyo Mackin. When a young man tomorrow shoots a policeman in the head, are you going to go arrest the policeman? Afenyo Mackin is a member of parliament. He's a lawmaker. Afenyo Mackin is a member of parliament who knows how the law works. And also he's a lawyer. And you, the IGP, you are sitting there like a toy. You think this is a joke? You think this is about going to church and going to dance? You think that the law was made for you and your friends? You have to be fired as an IGP. You are a waste of space. Afenyo Mackin, a member of parliament, leading a protest. A young police officer stands in the sun for hours to protect Ghanaians and protect Afenyo Mackin. Afenyo Mackin gets in front of the Jubilee House and slaps a police officer. And you, the IGP, you sit there like we are joking in this country. Take action. You have 24 hours to bring Afenyo Mackin in. He needs to write a statement. He needs to be charged. You cannot tell me the court will only decide whether Afenyo Mackin was wrong or not. You cannot come and tell us that he has come in, he has written a statement, he has gone. He needs to be charged, because I am doing this to protect every single police officer on the streets of Ghana tonight. Do you know what that video is doing in the system? Put him confidence ahead of criminals. Put him inspirational abonning for air taken from this video. And you sit there as an IGP. Masa, so what break up if you think you are tired, I have your personal number here. I'll forward this video to you. Opa responded. Opa man responded. I don't care. But I want you to know, say, I will see, say, you have gotten the receipts. Why are we entertaining all this nonsense? Why is this happening? So the young man who is a police officer or a waster now, do you think people will be interested in going to the police again? Every day they have been on the receiving end. And the Ghana Police Service, the young people have been on the receiving end. Nobody speaks for them. Now, what's not policeman do this age? You are sitting there making this look like a movie. You are playing politics. How long have you got to be serving in the police service? I am promising you this, my friend. You can be my father. But at this point, I am speaking to you because of the position you fill. You are a public servant, and you need to do what is right. With all due respect to you as a father, as a parent, I respect that. But you as the IGP, you need to deliver. We are not going to mince words because of your age. If you think you are too old, if you think you are not respecting you, leave that office and give it to somebody who is willing to do the job, who is willing to take the heat. We are not going to entertain this nonsense again in Ghana. For 8 years, this nonsense went on. Near to Hana Dampare, etam police phobia, say, or the armed robbers we kwa check location. Ya koya, ya bought a police phobia in that armed robbers too. Ye nipa, or a tip of ever seen there. Innocent people were killed. There were murderers in the Ghana police and the Dampare. Dampare set up a whole murdering machine in the Ghana police service. We saw all that. You know all these things. Dampare, Oba Bontano Kuta Bible. Oba Bontano Betonya Minyom. But in the Ghana police service, he had murdering machine in the Ghana police service. Dampare had his own police in the police who were committing murder. You come in here and you're going to condone this nonsense, and you're making police look like say, so you are giving inspiration to people to go after police, to slap police anyhow. Who is Afenyo marking? Because I'm paying you wine. We need results. 24 hours, the Ghana Police Service, this is the footage. You need to give us results. We need a statement from the Ghana Police Service. We need a statement from you, the IGP. I swear to God, if you don't, the rest of my production till you will be like our nephew on my show. Every day I'll remind Ghanaians of what you
enti di omo pe na omo beye na nyen obi nso e kan so di obi a pe na obeka because they say ultimi hu say John Dramani Mahama or the tumi ahye Kevin Taylor sam enti di Kevin Taylor pe na obeka enti so odi eye IGP odi NDC fu odi eye John Dramani Mahama temo munja no ndi because Mahama nankasa na wa sign ama no say onye di ope bia e Ghana enti di ope na obeka e Ghana. How come say wo Kevin Taylor udidi eye Afenyo Markins atem any IGP atem ayafuo nti obi asori a na wo kan de opa bia abusua ha na mede obesi message so be subscribe na wa share wa like send afoforo nso ebenya bi atie kete wo se enye dodo onwura makra bye bye.